Hi, today the plan is to see what is wrong with this thing and what it takes to get it fixed. The problem is that one of the lamps is not working properly. At this point I don't know if the bulb is gone bad or there's something else that is not working correctly. So I'm going to take it down, test it out and see what needs to be replaced. Because I was lazy, I ended up breaking these clips under the headliner. For me, it makes no difference if the connectors are fixed under the headliner or not. But if you want to do it properly, then according to manual, you first have to lower the headliner. Then you should have enough room to disconnect these clips without breaking them. I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.